Welcome to English Evolution Step 1, your first step toward confident, practical English. In this lesson, you'll learn how one idea can grow from a short sentence to a fluent expression. From A1 to A2, we'll guide you through 100 real-life sentence pairs that build your voice, your rhythm, and your confidence. I am ready.
I am ready.
I am ready for the exam.
I am ready for the exam.
She is afraid.
She is afraid.
She is afraid of the dark.
She is afraid of the dark.
He is late.
He is late.
He is late for school.
He is late for school.
We are friends.
We are friends.
We are good friends at school.
We are good friends at school.
They are tired.
They are tired.
They are tired after the trip.
They are tired after the trip.
I need help.
I need help.
I need help with my homework.
I need help with my homework.
She wants water.
She wants water.
She wants a glass of water.
She wants a glass of water.
He likes music.
He likes music.
He likes loud music.
He likes loud music.
We love our parents.
We love our parents.
We love our parents very much.
We love our parents very much.
They prefer coffee.
They prefer coffee.
They prefer coffee in the morning.
They prefer coffee in the morning.
They understand me.
They understand me.
They understand me very well.
They understand me very well.
We speak slowly.
We speak slowly.
We speak slowly in class.
We speak slowly in class.
He practices English.
He practices English.
He practices English every day.
He practices English every day.
She learns fast.
She learns fast.
She learns fast in class.
She learns fast in class.
I try again.
I try again.
I try again tomorrow.
I try again tomorrow.
They give advice.
They give advice.
They give good advice.
They give good advice.
We ask a question.
We ask a question.
We ask a question in class.
We ask a question in class.
He answers the phone.
He answers the phone.
He answers the phone quickly.
He answers the phone quickly.
She sends a message.
She sends a message.
She sends a message to her mother.
She sends a message to her mother.
I call my friend.
I call my friend.
I call my friend after school.
I call my friend after school.
They look busy.
They look busy.
They look busy at the office.
They look busy at the office.
We feel excited.
We feel excited.
We feel excited about the trip.
We feel excited about the trip.
He seems tired.
He seems tired.
He seems tired after work.
He seems tired after work.
She looks happy.
She looks happy.
She looks happy today.
She looks happy today.
I feel sick.
I feel sick.
I feel sick this morning.
I feel sick this morning.
They arrive today.
They arrive today.
They arrive today by train.
They arrive today by train.
We leave early.
We leave early.
We leave early in the morning.
We leave early in the morning.
He comes home.
He comes home.
He comes home late.
He comes home late.
She goes shopping.
She goes shopping.
She goes shopping with her sister.
She goes shopping with her sister.
I wake up.
I wake up.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
They bring food.
They bring food.
They bring food to the picnic.
They bring food to the picnic.
We choose a gift.
We choose a gift.
We choose a gift for our friend.
We choose a gift for our friend.
He pays the bill.
He pays the bill.
He pays the bill at the restaurant.
He pays the bill at the restaurant.
She sells fruit.
She sells fruit.
She sells fresh fruit at the market.
She sells fresh fruit at the market.
I buy a book.
I buy a book.
I buy a new book today.
I buy a new book today.
They take photos.
They take photos.
They take photos at the beach.
They take photos at the beach.
We play a game.
We play a game.
We play a game after dinner.
We play a game after dinner.
He draws a picture.
He draws a picture.
He draws a picture of his family.
He draws a picture of his family.
She listens to music.
She listens to music.
She listens to music in her room.
She listens to music in her room.
I watch a movie.
I watch a movie.
I watch a movie at night.
I watch a movie at night.
They clean the house.
They clean the house.
They clean the house together.
They clean the house together.
We cook rice.
We cook rice.
We cook rice for dinner.
We cook rice for dinner.
He washes the car.
He washes the car.
He washes the car on Saturday.
He washes the car on Saturday.
She closes her bag.
She closes her bag.
She closes her bag quickly.
She closes her bag quickly.
I open my book.
I open my book.
I open my book to page 10.
I open my book to page 10.
They invite us.
They invite us.
They invite us to the party.
They invite us to the party.
We visit Grandma.
We visit Grandma.
We visit Grandma on Sunday.
We visit Grandma on Sunday.
He meets his teacher.
He meets his teacher.
He meets his teacher after class.
He meets his teacher after class.
You've just taken your first step from A1 to A2, from short sentences to fluent expression, from simple words to real connection. Your English is growing and your voice is getting stronger, so don't stop here. Subscribe to English Evolution Step 1 for more poetic, practical lessons. Share this video with someone who's ready to grow with you. Comment your favorite sentence below, and let's keep learning together. This is English Evolution Step 1. Your journey has begun. Let's keep moving, step by step.